The dashboard is now available in DejaOffice PC Express and Professional versions. See all your relevant calendar events, tasks, and contacts quickly at a glance. New for 2023, DejaOffice PC has a modern look, designed with productivity in mind. Let's look at the original style first. Note how there is more padding or gaps between panels, and the sidebar icons have changed. Using contacts as an example, note the style of the scroll bar. Using this example contact, I have to scroll down to see all of the contact details. This is because of the additional padding. Now let's compare this style with the new modern style. This is in Settings, Display Settings. Now let's go back to Contacts. I can now see all the details of this contact without scrolling. The scroll bar has been updated to a modern style. You can mix and match display elements however you like using the user-defined style. For example, let's set the scroll bar to be the original style. See how the display style is modern, just with the older style scroll bar. There are many ways you can customize the display to your liking.